Hey there, hello, this is Prajulan H and welcome to the official unboxing video of the Bibox Tern Think Kit. So this is the entire box I received as a package. And this was what it was inside the package. So here I'll just give a small look through of the entire box. And this was super exciting when I actually received it and I just looked through it. And yeah, so this is the official unboxing video, and so there's some content on the back. You can scan this QR code to find more info. You have the list of all the components inside, and you also have some more information about the same. So here you have the entire information about the Bibox Tern and all of its features. And then yeah, so these are some of the other additional features that the Bibox Tern has to offer. So without further delay or ado, let's begin the unboxing. So I'll be opening this, and yeah, I have not opened it completely before, and this is the first time I'm going to be going it through in deep with you guys. Okay, so yeah, it also tells us it supports hexagonal programming, flowcharts, Scratch, C++, Python. Wow, that's great. So it'll be easy for anybody, any programmer to use it, even a beginner. So this is how the open box looks like. Wow, it looks cool. And as you can see here, there is a lot of information about the Bibox inside too, which is a very good thing, because for beginners, I think this is a very good feature, and you can go completely in and through out of the entire Bibox Tern through this content present on the box. And the box looks very well packaged. It has something like a magnet which just sticks through, and I love that fact. And yeah, I think this is a complete kit which you can just use when you want, and then make your project, and you can store your project safely just like that. And I love the packaging. It looks very secure, and I can't wait to just get into the Bibox Tern. So that looks like there's a seal here which I'll have to open before getting through it. Okay, that's opened, and wow, that's a prestigious look right there. The Bibox Tern, tiny, small, and powerful. Whoa. So this is how the Bibox Tern looks. You get it pre-assembled. There's a small wheel, two wires, there's gears, there's a geared motor. And yeah, this is the main microcontroller or the board of the Bibox Tern. It has to offer a DFT display, has some aux ports as I can see, has some ports for motors, and it also says there's a switch for the motor and a power switch. And these are some pins too. So I think we'll turn this on first because I can't wait. I'm too excited. So alright. Wow, that's cool. That looks awesome. Okay, wow, that's on. That looks just awesome. I think we can turn the motors on. Okay. This looks really awesome. So I think we'll turn this off and keep it aside for a bit. And to use this according to your needs, we need to program this through the Bisoft app that we'll be seeing in some time, or maybe in the next video as well. So we'll keep this aside, or we'll just keep it in the place it's supposed to be. And yeah, it also has a safety notice which I'll go through later. Okay, that's cool. It comes with a warranty, which is really good as well. Okay, this is exciting. Alright, okay, so this is the input and that's the output. Looks like there are two drawers right there. So why wait? Let's open them up. Okay, there's a seal here. So it's a complete sealed piece, Okay, we'll remove that seal and we'll stick it here. Maybe we'll stick it here. Alright. Oh, that's cool. If I open this side, even this side opens with it too. And that's a cool mechanical, that's a cool trick right there. And the first impression is always the best impression, I think. And the first impression of the Bibox Tern has just been beautiful and wonderful for me. And I think that's going to be the best impression I'm going to keep with me too. Okay, so it comes with a screwdriver. That's just fabulous. There's a servo and some other parts of the servo, including the screws. Then there's the axle part, and then there's the attachment to the servo, the arm. There's a servo connector for the Bibox Tern since it needs aux. Then there's 4 LEDs, a buzzer, a laser, and then there's this long aux cable which you get in the side. And yeah, so there's a screwdriver here too. And then coming to this side of the box, there's a press switch, a button switch. You can just press it like this. Okay, so there's an LDR or a light sensor, light dependent resistor. There's a distance sensor, or there are IR sensors here. This is a temperature sensor, looks very tiny, but I believe it should be very powerful as well. And this is the sound sensor, so it has a microphone as you can see and a small IC. And this is the rain sensor, the water sensor. Okay, and then these are the aux connectors that you get. So these are mainly male to male aux connectors which go into these female aux port connectors. So you can just plug them in like this and they snap together. And say you take some LED. Alright, so I have an LED with me. You can just plug them up like this. And maybe, yep. And if I power this on, let's see what happens. Wow, that's cool. The LED turns on. So yeah, this is not programmed, and yeah, it was pre-programmed, but I accidentally changed the pre-program. So it works on a custom program while I was just trying only the Bibox Tern out. I didn't know what to do a lot with it, and yeah, this is a long cable. Which again has a male to male jack, and I think this is another very wonderful feature, because if you don't want things to be very long and just on the Bibox Tern itself, you can use these small connectors. If you want something that's maybe a little away from the Bibox Tern, or you need more space to keep them, you can use this cable, and you have 2 of them, which I believe is great. Okay, and then the last component is this the 4 female or input pins of the aux thing. Okay, so we'll be closing this. And let's come back here. So it has to offer 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 male pins, and these LEDs turn on too. Based on the pins that you have turned on here, and then based on the motors, etc., which I think is another very good feature. So there are 2 buttons here which I'm just noticing. There's the erase button, which I think erases the entire program, and there's a reset button which starts the program all the way from the beginning. Okay, that looks really good. So that's it for this unboxing video. Stay tuned to find the complete making of this project. So I'll be making the electric bathing brush using this Bibox Tern. I'll be programming it too. So stay tuned for the entire video. Okay then, see you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.